So now we're moving on to what's called quadrantal angles. That's when we have an angle whose one side is called the initial side. That's the starting side. You put the vertex of the angle on the origin, and the initial side goes along the positive x-axis. That's the initial side. Then we have the other ray that moves, and it has to be on a quadrant, on an axis. That's called the terminal side. If it moves in this direction, that's the positive direction. If it moves in this direction, that's the negative direction. Kind of went on initial there a little bit. And it only hits on the axis, so it only is a multiple of 90 degrees. So the angle is a multiple of 90 degrees. So if I said, okay, what is the sine of 90 degrees? So we find the angle. Let's see, this is 90 right here. And we pick a point on the axis. And we're going to pick the point that's 1 unit from the origin. Always 1 unit from the origin. 1 unit. So that would be the point 0, 1. So x is 0, y is 1, and since we did 1 unit, r is 1. Remember, r is a distance, r is a distance from the origin to that point. So sine is y over r, so sine of 90 is 1. So if I said cosine of negative 180, we would say, okay, negative goes in this direction. That's 90, that's 180, so that's negative 180. We pick a point, 1 unit, that would be the point negative 1, 0. So x is negative 1, y is 0, and r is 1. Remember, r is always positive. And it's 1 unit from the origin in this case. So cosine is x over r. So cosine negative 180 would be negative 1 over 1, which is negative 1. Let's do tangent of 180 degrees. So you'd say, okay, that would be 180 degrees. We pick a point 1 unit from the origin, so that would be negative 1, 0. Oh, negative 1 and 180 and negative 180 has the same angle or axis. Let's say it that way, has the same axis. So let's see. Tangent is y over x, so it would be 0. How about tangent of 270? So it would be here. That would be the point 0, negative 1. Tangent is y over x, so y over x, that would be undefined. Because if zero's on the bottom, it is undefined. So we actually know every point we want to use. When you're at this axis, we'd use the point 1, 0. When you're at this axis, we're at the point 0, 1. When we're at this axis, we're at the point -1, 0. And when you're on this axis, it's 0, -1. Well, I think we'll finish this part tomorrow. Have a good day.